Picture this. It's 6:30 in the morning. You wake up, stretch your legs and try to stand, but your knees feel tight, your lower back aches, and your feet are swollen again. You reach for your slippers, mutter, "I guess this is just old age," and shuffle to the kitchen for your morning coffee. But what if that very cup of coffee could be the turning point? What if, by adding just one scoop of a natural powder used for centuries by strong mountain dwellers in Peru, you could wake up with energy, walk without pain, and feel decades younger again? This isn't hype. It's science and nature working together. Welcome to Green Health, where we bring you life-changing, research-backed natural health tips for seniors who refuse to slow down. Today in this video, over 60, add this powder to your coffee to walk like you're 40 again. Senior Health Tips. You'll discover the ancient root that can boost your strength, improve blood flow to your legs, reduce joint stiffness, and rekindle your natural vitality. It's called Maca Root Powder, a superfood so powerful it's been nicknamed Peru's natural Viagra and energy tonic. Stick around till the end, because I'll reveal the right way to take it, the best time of day, and one dangerous mistake that can make it completely useless. As we check this out, do well to support us by liking the video and subscribing to our Green Health channel. This sends a good sign to YouTube that you love what we do here on this channel, and in return, show it to more people. Also, don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you get notified on our latest upload on this channel. The real reason you're losing strength, balance, and mobility after 60. After you hit your 60s, your body begins to slow down its natural repair process. Your muscles shrink because your body produces less protein. Your hormones dip, affecting your energy, mood, and motivation. Your circulation weakens, meaning less oxygen and nutrients reach your legs, joints, and brain. That's why so many seniors experience morning stiffness in knees and ankles, fatigue even after small tasks, cold hands and feet, loss of balance or leg weakness. Doctors may call it normal aging, but the truth is, this is not just aging. This is your body running low on natural fuel. When you were younger, your body produced plenty of adaptogenic compounds, hormones and enzymes that help you bounce back from stress, recover quickly, and stay energetic. But after 60, these adaptive powers fade unless you restore them naturally. And this is where Maca Root Powder comes in, nature's powerful recharger that tells your body you're not done yet. Meet Maca Root, the ancient secret behind renewed strength and vitality. Thousands of miles away in the Andes Mountains of Peru, there's a small village where the elderly still climb hills daily, some even in their 80s, carrying baskets of potatoes and firewood. Their secret? A humble plant called maca root. Maca is a root vegetable, similar to a turnip, but grown at extreme altitudes of over 13,000 feet above sea level, where the air is thin and conditions are brutal. Yet, it thrives, absorbing minerals like iron, calcium, potassium, and zinc directly from the volcanic soil. For over 2,000 years, Peruvian natives have used maca to boost stamina and endurance, increase joint flexibility, support healthy libido and hormones, improve mental alertness and mood. And here's the amazing part. Modern science now backs it up. Studies show maca root helps improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and support bone density in aging adults. It contains adaptogens, natural compounds that balance hormones, fight stress, and revitalize your cells. And when combined with coffee, maca amplifies energy naturally without the caffeine crash. That's why many seniors who take maca say they feel a renewed spark, like waking up from years of fatigue. Imagine drinking your morning coffee and feeling your legs grow lighter, your back less tense, and your energy steady all before breakfast. That's the power of maca when used right. 7 science-backed benefits of maca root for seniors. Boosts circulation and joint flexibility. Maca increases oxygen flow and improves blood circulation to your legs and knees, helping reduce stiffness. Builds muscle and strength. It contains natural amino acids and plant sterols that support muscle repair and growth, helping you move with ease. Supports heart and bone health. Packed with calcium, potassium, and magnesium, maca nourishes your bones and heart at the same time. Balances hormones naturally. For seniors dealing with low libido or mood swings, maca supports your endocrine system for stable energy and mood. Reduces inflammation and swelling. Its natural antioxidants fight joint inflammation, helping your legs feel lighter. Improves focus and mood. Many users report clearer thinking and better memory, especially when taken daily. Boosts morning energy. Combined with coffee, maca provides steady, natural energy. No crash, no fatigue. The right way to take maca root in coffee. Here's how to use it correctly for the best results. Start small. Begin with half a teaspoon daily, then increase to 1 teaspoon after 1 week. Add to morning coffee or smoothie. Maca blends perfectly with coffee, hot chocolate, or oatmeal, giving a nutty caramel-like flavor. Never take it late at night. It boosts energy and may interfere with sleep if taken too late. Use consistently. Real benefits appear after 2 to 4 weeks of regular use. Optional. Mix maca with cinnamon and a few drops of coconut oil for an even stronger anti-inflammatory and energy-boosting effect. The mistake most people make. Most people buy any maca powder they find, but here's the truth, not all maca is equal. Look for gelatinized maca powder. It's pre-cooked to remove starch and make nutrients more bioavailable. Also, choose organic non-GMO sources for the highest potency. Avoid mixing it with dairy or processed sugar. Both can block absorption and cause inflammation in seniors. What happens when you take it daily? Within 1 week, you'll feel more alert and energetic. After 3 weeks, joint stiffness begins to fade and your legs feel stronger and lighter. By 6 weeks, many seniors report improved mood, flexibility, and stamina, like turning back the clock 20 years. Your morning coffee becomes a healing ritual, not just a habit. It's like giving your body the tune-up it's been craving all these years. You don't need expensive supplements to feel young again. Nature already made a miracle root, and all it takes is 1 scoop in your coffee every morning. Try it for 30 days, and you may find yourself walking, moving, and feeling like you're 40 again. If this video inspired you, give it a like, subscribe to Green Health, and share it with a loved one who deserves more energy and pain-free mornings. Thank you for watching to the end, and I hope to see you in the next one. Remember that Green Health cares.